Hello Pilates lovers, welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. This is a simple glutes workout focused Pilates, and it helps a lot of my patients with back pain to strengthen as one of the foundations to help support your spine. So get your mat ready and join me with this easy glutes workout that you can do every single day to keep your posture and back strong and healthy. Okay, my friends, this is a great morning or evening workout that you can do to relieve any spasm or stiffness on your glutes as well as your back. So we're going to start with simple bridging. Bend your knees, inhale and exhale through your mouth as you slowly lift your bottom off the mat. I'm keeping my feet together, knees tight, and you can really feel more in your glutes. Belly button in, don't overarch your spine. Go up as much as you can as long as you're not overarching. Inhale and exhale. Slowly go down one vertebrae at a time and blow. Inhale, lift. Belly button in. And then we're going to slowly progress with your hands pointing to the ceiling as you try to challenge your core more. And slowly go down one vertebrae at a time and blow. Inhale and lift, belly button in, squeeze as hard as you can on your stomach in. And as you strengthen your glutes more, you can touch your bottom to activate your glutes more. And mind body awareness as you slowly go down and blow. Inhale, belly button in and lift. And slowly go down and blow. Squeeze it gently as you lower. It's nice to slowly warm up your body. 2 more to go. Inhale and exhale down with your breaths. Breaths are important. Last one. Inhale and exhale. And now we're going to slowly progress with your feet at the edge of the mat. With your foot pointing outward, this will help target your external rotators of your hip. And slowly lift, and it feels a little bit different with your feet apart. Belly button in, exhale, go down one vertebrae at a time and go. Now we're gonna challenge with lifting your hands pointing to the ceiling. Inhale and exhale down. If you have lumbar stenosis or facet syndromes on your lumbar spine, this is not a great idea because it causes more impingement on your nerves. But if you have back spasm only or weak glutes, that's fine. As well as those with sciatica, it's okay as long as you're not inflamed on your sciatic nerve. Inhale, squeeze your stomach in, squeeze your glutes, and then slowly go down one vertebrae at a time and blow. 2 more to go. Inhale up, belly button in, squeeze as much as you can. And slowly go down and blow. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Feel your deep hip muscles being activated as you slowly go down and blow. Okay, now we're going to slowly place your feet back to the center again. And from this position, we are going to lift again. Inhale, but your hands overhead still. And then lift your heels off the mat to lengthen. Exhale down. You do it 10 times, lifting your heels, belly button in, keeping your glutes off the mat, and blow. 7, 6, 5, feel the burn. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, my friends, slowly go down, feet apart again, gently. And we're going to start with bridging with tabletop. So one leg in the tabletop position as you slowly bridge single leg to isolate your muscle. 10 and breath. 9, 8, 7, 6. Try your best with your toes pointing away, keeping everything in 90 degree. 5. With your breathing. 4, 3. Isolate that muscle. 2 and 1, and then switch it up with the other leg, and then slowly lift again. Isolate the muscle. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Feel the burn. 3, 2, and 1. And now we're gonna slowly progress with your knees straight, toes pointing away. Try your best to lengthen your hamstring and your calf as you lift, and isolate your glutes on the opposite side. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. It's really burning now. 4, 3. Strengthen those muscles to help your posture. Keep that in mind, your goal. 2 and 1. And now switch it up to the other side. Inhale and lift. 10, 9. Feel the burn. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. This is a quick glutes Pilates workout you can do every day. And 1 and down. Wow, that was lovely. Now hug your knees to your chest to do a quick stretch pulse towards your chest. Release the spasm and tightness and lengthen the muscle. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now this is the last bridging. Okay, friends. Now we're gonna point our hands to the ceiling. Lift your glutes again, and we're gonna do small range isometrics. Feel your glutes firing more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then from this position, we're gonna do butterfly. Hold it for isometrics as you do butterfly. 10. With your breathing. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now we're cooling down. Knee to chest and stretch your glutes. You guys did amazing for a simple glutes workout that you can do to add on your Pilates program if you want to lengthen and strengthen your glutes muscles to help your posture and your back pain. Small range on your knee. If you have lumbar stenosis or facet syndrome on your lumbar spine, glutes are not a great way to strengthen the bridging position. So my recommendation is to do the side lying glutes workout. I have a link. You can click the link down below for a side lying glutes focus workout. And this is okay for those with sciatica or simple back pain or spasm. Now knee to chest and pull. Feel that hip muscles release and circle. Inhale and exhale, and then reverse, and then butterfly position, and rock side to side. Happy baby. It's a great way to stretch your glutes. And now straight it up, forward. Slowly release. If you can't do overhead, that's fine. Just stretch your hamstrings. I love to go overhead a little bit to open my spine. It's like a forward fold. Roll over and slowly go down. Pull it back, and then do a simple quick stretch, left and right, toes pointing away from you. Inhale, exhale, quick stretch, lengthen. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then single leg stretch, alternating. 10, 9, engage your core. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
and 1. And that's it. I'm hoping you're feeling so warmed up on your glutes and lengthened, feeling much relief, any spasm on your back or glutes area. If you love this video, please subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so you won't miss anything. And I will be releasing a 6-part video series coming soon regarding a course that I'm preparing about back pain. If you're interested, please click the link down below and be part of the early bird waitlist. If you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns, leave a message on my social media or here on YouTube, and I'll try my best to answer each one of you. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Until next time, bye!